is.
Basically, a tree fell, and we saved the babies. And we put them back in their nest, and they're right there in that, wait, where is it? Right there in that bush. And the mom is over there. She keeps flying back and forth, but she can't get to the babies. We think she's hiding because we're here. There she goes again. Okay, hopefully she's gonna find them now. Oh, no. You're so close. You're almost there.
Come on, birds, be smart.
We're all rooting for you, birdies.
Big smart birds. Come on. Come on.
Yes, hop over. All right, everybody stay still. Stay still, Riley.
They'll dig a hole, then they'll say, I found our baby. No, just run to them and hug them and just kiss them.
I'm in the way. Oh.
He got them.
All right, please come back to that same spot. They see him. Thank you. Yes, finally. No, he sees them. Stay still, guys. Yeah.
Yes.
Keep telling mommy to go. Finally. Whew. Oh, thank you. Okay, wait, guys. Is she feeding them? Good. I don't have a good zoom, else I would zoom in for you all. Yeah, they're alive.
I see another one.
Stay still.
I see another one.
Oh, guys, one is on the ground. One's on the ground, struggling, trying to get up.
There's another one.
I don't know. Is it two of them here or? Yeah, no, this is the baby on the ground. Oh, my.
Oh my goodness.
Gonna get a napkin to get them up?
Oh no, two right here.
Just to warn us. Oh, man. Hannah just saved one of the babies. We did not see this third one. So now that the parents know where they are, we're trying to put this one back too. Oh, not upside down.
I was like, I see something moving.
What
Now
happened?
we're happy.
Okay, now we got to get them up to safety. But see, are they watching us? Okay, yeah, Dad's over there watching in the tree, right there. So maybe he'll see us put them back into there, because he's watching.
I'm gonna leave them there for a couple of hours and let them get situated.
You sure?
Except for the dead
Supposed
one.
to touch them?
Yeah, that's a myth.
Huh?
That's a myth.
Oh, okay.
They need to all be able to get to their mom's feet when she comes.
Okay. It's amazing how 4 of them were in there.
I was like, I see something moving. What is that?
Riley, are you guys saving the birds?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. All right. You can come back. All 3 of them are in there now. All right. I think we've done all we can. Luckily, the baby was on the ground and the mommy kept going down there and we were able to find it. Oh, look at this bird. It has a worm. That's not their mom. Anyhow, we've done our job for the day. We're gonna leave them there for a little while and come back and put them in a nest for the mommy and daddies. All right, Riley, I think we saved them. Mommy and Daddy know where they are. Came back last night and moved them into the tree for safety. And they're still kicking, but I don't see the third one popping up.
He popped up. He's right there.
Are they safe?
See?
Are we happy now?
Yes.
All right, we woke up early to come back and check on them. They're safe. Are they still okay?
Yeah, they're strong. Got a strong response. His eyes are open.
And his eyes are open like this.
And his
Like what?
tummy's full.
They're open like that?
His tummy's full, which means that they've been getting fed. I just wonder, it's just, what are the odds that we haven't, gotta get a picture like that, that's too cute. I mean, what are the odds that we wouldn't see their parents?
Maybe their parents went
God,
over
that's so
for food.
cute. Oh my goodness. Someone came and cut everything down. I guess they were helping, but they didn't know that we were saving the birds and we were not going to cut that one down. We're out here trying to find them now. Oh, every day we come here several times a day trying to... I think I found them. I found the nest. Oh, we gotta be careful. Is this the nest? This is the nest. Oh my gosh.
Where are the babies?
I don't see the babies, Riley.
Let me see. Can I see them? I think the mom was looking for the babies.